welcome to the Miletus Auto vlog. So remember from the last vlog we had the engine and the transmission come out and hoping that we would replace it, going to buy another one, but guess what, we got an engine and a transmission. So today we'll be fitting in the transmission and hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to fit in the engine and this car will come back alive. You know, since over a year now it's been sitting down, not moving, doesn't idle, nothing. So so we're trying to get the gearbox mounted inside, or the transmission, whatever. Today is a very funny day because I've been missing what I'm meant to say, but I don't know, it feels like say I'm tired. But I'm also excited because I get to win a brand new car, a very brand new car. So remember, you can still help me win it. Link in the description below. And so the issue right now is trying to lift this thing up. Unfortunately, some of the tools we have here are not enough to like mount it inside. So we have to be very careful with putting this thing inside. And there's a video where I watched like a few days ago trying to mount the transmission and then it fell on this guy. So we don't want that happening here. We have to be very safe, obviously. So we're going to be looking into this very carefully, trying to get a couple of people to carry it and then mount it inside. So, cheers. Alright, so it's a tug of war trying to put this together and we're trying to lower the car so we can have the transmission come up. So we're trying to jack it and all of that. So okay, so take a look. Here are the engine settings I told you about. Hold on, switch your fire. This is what we pulled out from here before. So we're going to replace it with this one. So this is what the engine will be mounted onto. And then this one will be mounted to the chassis, the frame. So this gone. And this goes on. So this is the level of damage. Right, so we are done for today. The gearbox is there. Hopefully tomorrow we'll come out here and then the engine will be mounted. Some other things in there will be changed, like the engine mounts, which I showed you earlier, will be put there, and we'll have a very nice time. Hopefully it gets to start tomorrow, and subsequently we'll be able to drive it to check a couple other things to make sure that it's okay and it's working perfectly. I'll see you guys. If you're not subscribed to this channel, as usual, subscribe. Thank you. Peace out.